got pretty eyes because they from Ttdeye. Yes, these are my real eyes. And y'all know when y'all get up on people, y'all can just do that little blinking and look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ttdeye. It's your girl Ttdeye. Anyway, today, y'all, I am doing another contact lenses haul. Y'all know what it is. Y'all already know what time it is, okay? But anyway, that's what we doing. Today's contacts are from Ttdeye. Y'all, I just realized I ain't had no solution. Like, who does that? Who does a whole contact haul with no solution? I want to come here and say I'm super excited for the launching of my store, which will be happening very, very soon. The name of my store is called Shop Jolie Amor, okay? So yeah, I'm super excited for that. Until I launch, I want you guys to go ahead and check out my store Instagram page, where I will keep you guys updated on what's going on. Of course, it's not gonna be here right now. I know you guys go here, it's not here. But if you guys are still interested in seeing what I got going on over there, don't forget to check out the store page. So I'm super excited for that. I just wanted to throw that in here so you guys can stay up to date with what I have going on. All that information will be in the description section below, so don't forget to check it out before you proceed with the rest of the video. So yeah, we're gonna get started. Due to your eye color, due to your lighting situation, and due to if you wear makeup or not, okay? So these are all things that could affect or alter the appearance of your contact lenses, so just keep that in mind. So we're gonna get started, y'all. I need to wash my hands. Please make sure your hands is clean, sis. Don't be putting your hands in your eyes with dirty hands, because 9 times out of 10 you're gonna get an eye infection. Don't do it. Wash your hands. These are the color of my eyes. My eyes are just dark brown. Those beauties, okay? These beauties are just brown. And like I said, if you have lighter color eyes, your contacts are gonna look different. But of course, I don't think your eyes can get any darker than this. So this is how your package will come. Well, not like that. It will come with your cases inside. And it comes with some stickers, okay? Some little tattoo fun art stuff. And then on the bottom of it will be your contacts. Now I went ahead and labeled mine. For some reason, that's one thing I would advise Ttdeye to do, is put the names of the lenses on the boxes, because I had to go on the website to figure out what lens was what. Your contact lens will come in a box like this. In the contact cases, of course, you get it comes wrapped in a package. Okay, your case comes inside of another case, and then you have the tools to put them in or take them out. I usually don't take them out with these little tweezer things, but I do put them in. Havana blue up first. I feel like I look scary. Alright, so this was the Havana blue gray. But if you guys have dark eyes, you can tell that these contacts are very, very pigmented. Look how it just changed the color of my eye. Like, what? Are you crazy? It is crazy. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at that. Y'all can't tell me that's not really pretty. Alright guys, so this is what both of them looks like, okay? So I don't get any prescription in mine, so they're -0.0. So if you guys are new to contacts and just want to wear them for cosmetics purposes, just select -0.0. Okay, so this is what they look like up close. Alright guys, so this pair I have in, y'all, I'm obsessed with these already. Obsessed. But look how pretty they are. I love these contacts. I love this color because it has like a purple ring around it. It has a purple, I don't know if it's called lipo ring, lipo ring, I don't know. It has a purple ring around the contact and it's so beautiful. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. Okay, can y'all see that has like a purple ring around it? It just does something to your eyes. Now my eyes might look a little red, not because of the contacts, but because I'm tired. I've been up since 5 a.m. so, but y'all, can y'all see it? Okay, hopefully it's clear enough. These are my favorites. This Love Me Brown, y'all gonna see me in these. Okay, so these contacts are called the Real India contacts, and when I tell you guys, another one of my favorites, another one of my favorites. But look at this, y'all, look at that. I love that pop of color, and it's like a hazel brown green. Y'all, these are super pretty. Look at this. They, even up close to me, they look very, very realistic. Like, sometimes I just don't know what to say because these contacts just leave me speechless. I'll give this one definitely a 10 out of a 10. This is something I would see myself wearing every day. Something that looks natural, it doesn't look too much. This, something that looks like, hey, this could be her real eye color, you know? Alright, y'all, so these are called the Rome Brown. Now when I tell y'all, these made it to my #1 list right now. I don't know what it is about this Rome Brown, but I'm here for it. These are something serious. These are something serious. Look at the pigment on them. Let me zoom in, y'all, because y'all just not getting it. I'm trying not to look in the viewfinder so you guys can see them straight on, but what? Look how pretty and natural they look. But let's just get into these. Come through Rome Brown. Rome Brown is everything. It is everything to me. These are cute. I don't know, it's giving me like a warm hazily gray type of vibe. And I love gray contacts, but I don't like gray contacts that look blue. Yes, these are my real eyes. And y'all know when y'all get up on people, y'all can just do that little blinking and look. Okay guys, so these are the Havana yellow green, and I really love these pair because I thought it was gonna be a green that wasn't gonna look too bright on me, you know. I don't know what type of green I was thinking, but y'all, I just love this selection of contacts that I picked out because I just feel like there's, look at them, like they speak for themselves. As you guys can see, if you put them on the right side, they won't be moving around and off of your pupil when you blink. So that's how you know if you have them on the right side, because if you don't, they'll just not stay on your pupil. But these are super pretty. I'm here for it. Like I said, it has a perfect contrast of yellow and green undertones, and it just blends together, and it's just so freaking flawless. Now these are called the Love Me Pink. I like these a lot. They're very similar to my natural eye color from what I can see from the mirror, but it has a pop of color. So if you guys not are a big fan of color, and you want like something slight, you want something that just brings out your eyes just a little bit, these contacts will be perfect for that. It's like a dark pink, to be honest, so you really can't tell that I have contacts in. So sorry guys, my eyes watering because I try to put my lashes back on and I got eyelash glue in my eye, so they look irritated, that's probably why. But I really think they're super cute, and like I said, it's just natural. It's like a dark pink. I don't even know if y'all can tell on camera if it looks different or not, but I can tell in person that it's like a pop of color. Like, it's something on your eyes, you know, you can tell. But it's for all my girls out there who's scared of color, because everybody's not into color. But this is like a color, this is like a no makeup look, but just with contacts. It's like no color but color. So I really like these. Very natural, very similar to my natural color eyes. Like I said, it may look different on you depending on your eye color, but this is how they look on dark brown eyes. Okay, so these are called Real Caramel. These kind of remind me of Rome Brown, but it's toned down ×2. So I would recommend these for people who are scared of color as well, because it's nice and subtle. It is not doing too much, and it definitely could be considered as natural. I love these. Okay, this is gonna be another, like I said again, another subtle pair. Like I said, these are nice and subtle. It's kind of remind me of like a darker, richer green, if that makes sense. It's just like a deep green. I got an air bubble in there, but I love them. It's something that I will wear when I don't want to be doing too much, or I got a subtle makeup look on. But these are like the prettiest, like a pretty dark gray green color, if that makes sense. I don't know, I might be making up colors in my hand, but these are how they look. Like I said, very natural. Okay, you still can be a showstopper, but it's not doing too much. They give it. I'm loving these colors on me. She had pretty eyes because they from Ttdeye. With the Havana series, I noticed that that color popped. It's very pigmented. Like you gonna be a showstopper. I noticed that. I like these more. I like this color more than the Havana yellow gray. They just was like they were popping. This is like a gray, but it's, to me, I feel like I can pull this off. It's like a gray hazel type of vibe to me. Like, I really like it. I really like these. Like, I didn't think I was gonna like it because the other Havana series, well, the other Havana was just like out there. But look how beautiful these are, y'all. I really like these. Like, I don't feel like I look scary. You know, the first pair I thought I was like, no. But look. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, these contacts. Let me know if you guys want me to do some more colors. If you guys have any contacts suggestions that you guys want me to try out the color, so you guys can see how they look before you purchase them, let me know and I'll do that for you guys. So yeah, I do that for you guys. So yeah, until next video, you guys, see you later. Bye guys.